Guess what time it is? Time for Noah's surprise egg. This is where we open surprise egg. What do you think's inside this surprise egg? Let's open it up and see. Look! What is this?
A rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Say, it's a rabbit.
A rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Oh, say a dinosaur.
What do you think's inside this dinosaur egg? Put it right here, Noah. Put it right here. What do you think's inside this dinosaur egg, Noah? You want to get Hulk to smash it?
Oh!
You want to get Hulk to smash it?
Turtle.
What's inside? What's inside?
A carrot.
Look! What's this, Noah? What's this, Noah?
Oh my gosh. A chicken.
What is this?
A farm.
A farmer. Good.
What's that?
Good. Let's open the next one, Noah. Let's open it. This time, Mr. Shark is gonna deliver this one. Look what Mr. Shark has.
What's that?
Thanks, Mr. Shark. What do you think's inside this green surprise egg?
Oh! Look at
Noah.
Look up here.
No, what is this?
A sheep.
Say it with me. It's a sheep.
This.
One more time. It's a sheep. Good. Ready to open the next one? Are you ready?
Yeah.
What is inside? Take a look, Noah. What is this? What is this?
A turtle.
Good. Say, it's a turtle.
Turtle.
Say, it's a turtle.
Turtle.
One more time. It's a turtle.
Turtle.
Good. Next. This time, Mr. Elephant is going to help us open it. Oh, one more time, Mr. Elephant. Good job, Mr. Elephant. Noah, I got a brand new one for you. What do you think this is, Noah? Take a look. This is a new water animal. This animal lives under the sea. Can you say it's an octopus? Octopus. It's an octopus. Octopus have 8 arms. Let's open the next one, Noah. You ready? Well, this isn't an animal or a sea animal. What is this, Noah? Take a look. Take a look, Noah. What is this?
A carrot.
It's a corn.
Corn.
Say it's corn.
Corn.
It is corn. Now, corn does grow on the farm, but it's not an animal. It's a vegetable. Oh, man. The giant pirate ship has brought the next egg. Whoa, he opened his mouth. Thanks, Mr. Pirate Ship. Bye. What do you think's inside? So far we've had sea animals, and land animals, and farm animals, and vegetables. What do you think's inside, Noah? What is this?
A truck.
What is this?
A truck.
It's a skateboard. It's a skateboard. Say, it's a skateboard. Starting right here, and then we're gonna go like this way. We're gonna name these animals one by one with our learning building blocks. Okay, first we get the letter R. Because remember, no, this is a rabbit. Then we get A. Now we need to find a B. Found it. Found a yellow B. Now we need to find an I. Found an I. And last, we have to find the letter T. What does that spell? What does this spell?
Sorry.
Rabbit. Say rabbit. Farmer. Farmer. That must start with the letter what? The letter F. Where are you, letter F? Found you. F. Where's my A? I had an A before with rabbit. Far. Farm. Now I need an R to finish spelling this word. We're gonna do this one really fast because I found the letters fast. Farmer. 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 Good job, Mr. Farmer. Bye. Sheep starts with the letter S. Always with the next letter, and is the letter H. She. Well, I think that means we need not one, but two E's. She. We're missing one last letter. What do you think it is? We found it. It's a green letter P. Spelled together. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Good job, Mr. Sheep. Thank you. Have a nice day. Turtle. Can you say turtle? Turtle. Turtle starts with the letter T. Next letter is U. Where's our letter U? I think I gave it away. That next letter is the letter R. Now we're gonna need one more T. Do you see another T? I do. I found a yellow color T. Turt. Now we need to finish spelling it with an E. And we've got an E, but we're missing a letter. What could it be? I think we haven't used this letter yet. Here it is. It's an L. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E spells turtle. Bye, Mr. Turtle. Thanks for your business. Okay. Let's do a big word. Octopus. Octopus. O. C. Octopus. Where's the T? Where are you? I know you were here just a second ago. Did you run away, letter T? There's the T. Oct. Letter O. Letter P. U. And finally, it makes the sound. Do you know what makes the sound? You know what letter makes the sound? If you said S, you were right. Octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. And now Octopus is going to go to bed. Now let's spell corn. Very easy. Only a 4-letter word. We need a C. We need an O. We need an R. Do you see an R? Do you see an R? I found one. Finally, we need an N. As in, I need an N now. What's inside? No, is a letter N inside? It's okay, I found one. This is how you spell corn. And now we can skate away on our skateboard.